everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. Today I am going to make chicken ghee roast. It is a Mangalorean recipe and speciality of there, and a perfect recipe for all the spicy food lovers as well as chicken lovers. It is very delicious because it is smeared with chettinad spices and slowly dry roast with ghee, as you can guess from its name, the ghee roast. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. We do the recipe and make chicken ghee roast. For that, here in a pan I am going to dry roast 5 whole dried red chilies till they turn into dark colors. In authentic recipe, they use Guntur special red chilies and Kashmiri red chilies, but I don't have them, so I'm using this normal one. Now they are done, as they have blackened a bit, so they are done. Remove them, and in the same pan I have added 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of fennel seed, half teaspoon of black peppercorns, and 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds. At this stage, keep the flame to the lowest and dry roast them for 30 seconds or so. Then add 6 cloves of garlic and half-inch ginger sliced, roughly sliced, and dry roast them with the other spices. So within like a minute they will turn aromatic and change color. As you can see, they are done. So remove it and cool it down before ground them into paste. So here I have cooled it down. Now I have taken it to a mixing jar. Next I am going to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, because I didn't have Kashmiri red chilies, so I am using Kashmiri red chili powder. Next goes 2 tablespoons of tamarind water, and add some more water as required. We need to grind it into a smooth paste. So in with the lid and grind it into smooth paste. See the vibrant red color of the paste. They are done. So I'm going to marinate the chicken now. For that, in a bowl here I have taken half a cup of dahi or yogurt. I'm using homemade. So whisk it, make it as smooth as possible. Next add the ground masala paste entirely. Next whisk it with the yogurt thoroughly. Next to that I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it as well. Don't add salt at this stage in the marination, because then the chicken will release water which is not needed. Next goes in the chicken. Here I am using 300 grams of chicken with bone. Marinate them nicely so that each piece is nicely coated with the masala, and I am going to keep it marinated for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we are back in the pan. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee, and it will be cooked in ghee only. That's why it's called ghee roast. Next, the ghee has melted. Now add 1 medium-sized onion which I have finely chopped. I'm going to fry them, and to quicken the process I have added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This will help to sweat the onions. Now over medium flame I am going to fry them till they are dark brown like this. So now the onions are done. add the marinated chicken with every bit of the marination. Don't waste any of the marination, just put it into the pan. Now mix it thoroughly, and we are going to cook the chicken over medium flame. So mix every bit of the ghee and the masala and the onions. Also add salt according to taste. Mix it, and half a teaspoon of sugar to balance the tartness of tamarind water and the ghee. Now mix and cook them on low flame for 20 to 25 minutes. Stir them in the middle. Now after 20 to 25 minutes we are back. Now I am going to add curry leaves. Here I am using 1 sprig of curry leaf, or basically 10 to 12 curry leaves, and mix them with the gravy, and it's nearly done. So keep on stirring at this stage over medium to high flame. I'm going to keep on stirring till I get the perfect consistency. All the gravy will be attached with the chicken like this. As you can see, the chickens are nicely coated with the masalas, and it's done. Now serve it hot with roti, paratha, naan, or steamed rice or lemon rice. I'm going to serve it with some lemon rice because I have made lemon rice today, and I have given you the recipe of lemon rice as well. So do make this recipe of chicken ghee roast, and let me know in the comment section below whether you like it or not, and don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.